Today we're going to go over your Boxmat Proi and how to change the long cutting knives. The first step of the operation is we're going to go into our settings page. Then we're going to jog over to the tool positioning page. Here we're going to select exchange positions, make sure that's green, and then we're going to hit setup tools. And what that's going to do is that's going to move those tools into an easy position to work on. This process takes about a minute, and when it's done, that setup tools light will go out. At this point, we're going to come to the back of the machine. We're going to hit the safety door lock button, and we're going to hit that 2 times. At this point, we can open both doors. The long knives that we're going to be replacing are right here. They are very sharp. I recommend wearing some cut-resistant gloves just to be safe. You want to take your main hand and keep it to the side. You do not want to be under the knife. With your other hand, take your thumb to depress that lock button and your 2 index fingers to pull. The pin comes straight out and the tool releases. At this point, we want to take a 4mm Allen wrench and we're going to crack these 2 bolts loose. Once those bolts are loose, you'll be able to easily remove the old and worn knife. When you're replacing your new knife, be very careful not to touch the sharp edge. Slide it back into the slot. And if you look very carefully, you can see where the grinding of the knife stops. That ground edge should be flush with the body of the tool. At this point, go ahead and tighten those bolts back up. They don't need to be super tight. Now that the new knife is installed, we can go ahead and put the tool holder back in the machine. Align the tool holder, take our pin, shove it back in, and make sure that pin is all the way in. Give it a tug, make sure it doesn't come out.
If issues are still occurring, please visit our website at www.weldmaster.com or call into our office at 330-833-6739 for any additional support. You can also schedule a service visit from one of our highly qualified service technicians. Thank you for tuning in, and thank you for choosing Miller Weldmaster for all of your welding needs.